Hi viewer, I welcome you to Edim TV. It is the station where you watch and learn. I'll be taking you through Geography Form 4, lesson number 10. The topic is fishing. I'm your tutor, Lucy Modoni. Welcome. Our lesson goes today, we are going to look at the major fishing grounds, and we start with the first one, that is the Atlantic fishing ground. We start by looking at the main or the major fishing grounds in the world. There are three of them. We have the first one, that is the Atlantic fishing grounds. We also have the Pacific fishing grounds, the fishing grounds in Africa. Those are the ones that we are going to look at by the end of the topic. We start by the first one, that is the Atlantic fishing grounds. The Atlantic fishing ground, it is divided into two. There is the Northwest Atlantic fishing ground and Northeast Atlantic fishing grounds. We are going to start with the first one. That is the Northwest Atlantic fishing ground. Now, when we talk about the Northwest Atlantic fishing ground, where is it located? It is located in northeastern coast of North America and stretches from the eastern coast of Canada to the New England in United States. That is the main area where we have the Northwest Atlantic fishing ground. The main fishing areas are, we have the Grand Bank, we also have the Sable Bank, we also have the Jones Bank. They are rich in the cod, the herrings. We also have the andok, then menhaden, mackerel, and lobster. Those are the main fisheries that are found in this area. These are the main areas that we have talked about. You can see the Georges Bank, it is there, the Grand Bank, it is there, and all of them, they are there. You can be able to locate them. And also, using that map, you can get a number of factors that have favored the development or the start of the fishing in this area. We have the indented coastline. We also have the convergence of the cold and warm ocean current. We also have the large continental shelf. All of them, they are there. We'll discuss about the factors as we continue. Let us look at we have the Scotia shelf. It is there. You can be able to see it. We also have the Labrador shelf. You can be able to see it there. All those are the shelves that favors the growing of the fish in the area. Let us look at the factors that have favored the development of Northwest Atlantic fishing ground. One, it is the presence of the large continental shelf, as you have seen from the deck. We have a number of continental shelves. Number two, we have the cold Labrador current converging with a warm Gulf Stream current. Already you have seen in the images that we have. You can see them, they are converging in the area. Number three, we have the dense population. This dense population offers a ready market. If at all you look at all this area where now the Northwest Atlantic fishing ground is extending to, it is densely populated, starting with Canada. Then we have the unfavorable physical conditions that discourages any other economic activities. Now you see there is no other option. They only return to the fishing as their economic activity. They cannot do the industrialization. They cannot do the agricultural activities. They cannot do any other economic activity apart from fishing. That is the reason as to why they will invest in fishing. Number 5, we have the high level of technology. The technology that is used here, remember this is a very rich areas, nations. They have capital to invest in the technology, modern methods of fishing. They have also high level of preservation. So the technology here, it is very advanced. They can go to the deep water fishing. You can be able to see all those things that you have talked about. You can be able to see the shelf, the continental shelf. You can be able to see how they are there, how it looks like. So you can be able to see the reason as to why we are referring to it as large continental shelf. And also the depth of the ocean here, it is not all that deep. We also have the convergence of the cold and warm ocean current there. We have it there. We also have in the USA, you can be able to see how it is stretching, the indented coastline, you can be able to see it, and also the population. You can be able to see how the population is. Activity for today, state 3 main areas of fishing in Northwest Atlantic fishing ground. And number 2, state 4 factors that are favored fishing ground in North Atlantic fishing ground. You can get more information from the KLB 2003 Secondary Geography Student Book for that edition. For more information, you can contact us or you can get us through the SMSing. You can also get us from the YouTube. You can also get us from the Facebook. You can also Twitter us from that. Otherwise, stay tuned to the Irene TV. Thank you.